cracking your knuckles causes arthritis, or so they say. But science says there's no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The sound comes from gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid. It's not bones grinding or damaging each other. Multiple studies found no evidence of harm or joint damage. At worst, frequent cracking might cause slight hand swelling or grip weakness. But arthritis? That's caused by inflammation, age, or genetics. Not cracking, so crack away. It's annoying, maybe, but not dangerous.